Hello and welcome to Soft Expert. I recently have uploaded this video about Fiverr Profession, but there were some questions about this video and also my voice was not clear enough due to my mic issue. So this will be an updated version of this video in which I will also show you that how you can add a profession to your Fiverr profile. And now what is a Fiverr profession? This is just a new way of listing your services on Fiverr, okay? And this is available to a certain number of sellers for now. And you can access it by going to my business and then clicking on profession. Again, if you don't see it, then this is limited to certain number of sellers, so don't worry, this option will be available to you soon. And now why we need profession and what is the benefit of a profession. So nowadays if a buyer search something on Fiverr, let me show you. Let's open a Fiverr in private mode and let's try searching something here like website development. I'm only seeing, okay, let's close it. I'm only seeing these services, okay, and these are Fiverr gigs. And at the end of July 2024, buyers will get these two options. One will be for the services that I showed you, like Fiverr gigs. And if they switch to freelancers, they will see professionals, like the freelancers who have added profession to their Fiverr profile, okay. So this is clear. Now let me show you how we can add a profession to your Fiverr profile. You can learn more about profession here on this page, that how you can add it and how it works and how you can design images for it and so on. I have explored this in my previous video. Now again, you can go to my business and then click on profession. You will see some profession that Fiverr has listed out from your profile, okay. If you don't see them, just click on add new profession and you will see the same page. Now these are under draft and these are not published yet, okay. You need to add at least 2 portfolio projects to this profession. So let's see how we can publish a profession on Fiverr, okay. I will just simply go here and I click on edit. Again, if you don't see it, just click on add new profession, okay. I edit this one. And now this is a bit explanation that how you can add it, okay. You can just read them and then go to next step. And this is how you can add a profession. So this will be my profession title, website developer, okay. You can choose from any of these titles. This one is fine. And now which type of services will you offer? So here you can list the services that you will offer, okay. Again, you can choose from these services. I will also choose website content and website plugins installation, e-commerce SEO, and also website design and so on. So I can choose any of these services that I can offer in this profession, okay. And if you choose a service by mistake, you can just remove it. Then scroll down and add relevant skill and expertise. So commerce, WordPress, Elementor, Wix, these are fine. And Fiverr has filtered out these from my Fiverr profile, okay. If you want to add new, just click here and then you can choose any of these. So I will choose GoDaddy as well, just for example. And then what is my front-end language? HTML is fine. And if there were WordPress, I would have choose that, but this is fine. Then hosting platform, so I can choose any of these hostings like GoDaddy, Hostinger, Bluehost, DreamHost, SiteGround, because I can install and work on any of these hosting, okay. Then website type, so I can create job board, landing pages, business websites, booking websites, and all these, okay. I'll also choose these. And maximum selection is 20, okay. So let's remove this one. And I'll add dropshipping. And then we have some UI UX design tools like Figma, Adobe Photoshop and so on. So if you are using any of these, you can just select that. And then front-end frameworks. So if you any of these, you can just select that. Again, we don't have WordPress here. And then website development expertise. So I can have migration. Then and there is some issue with this thing, okay. So if I remove something here, then this will start working. This is sort of bug because this thing is new, okay. So again, you can have development, okay, once again. And if something is not working again, then you can just remove a thing, okay, just like this. And then which other title match your profession, okay. So here you can select like Wix developer, GoDaddy developer, Elementor developer, okay. Now you can just go to next step. And here you can add detailed description about yourself and when did you start doing this work for clients, okay. So you can see it already fits some details from my Fiverr profile. If you want to change it, you can write your own, okay. And for now, let's say this is fine. I'll just select a month here. So January, and I have started it from 2019. and that's it. You can also see the preview over here, okay? Then go to next step, and here you can add a FAQ. So you can add frequently asked questions that you want to display on your profession. I already have some FAQ on my gig, so let me just copy them. And these are the FAQs, okay? So I'll just copy it. I'll paste it here, and this was the question, and we'll add it. If you want to add another, just click on it, and we'll copy this one, and let's also add this one, and that's it. So in this way you can add FAQs. Now let's go to next step, and you can see almost there. To ensure a fair marketplace, the price shown is based on your order from the first year and adjust dynamically with your activities, setting a baseline for quotes, okay? So the first thing is we need to add a portfolio project. If I click here, I already have a few, okay? And if you already have a portfolio on your profile, then you can link them to your profession by this method. So just click on any project, then fill up these info, and then select a profession where you want to add it, okay? Let's click on got it. You can see this option link to profession. I'll click on it. I will have to fill up these details like what is the project name, what is the industry. So okay, look at the language. Let's try to translate it. Okay, now this is fine, okay, not getting this language, but I'll search for podcast because this is a podcast website. And then project duration, so I'll select 1 to 7 days or 7 to 30 days. And what was the cost? So I'll write the cost here. I don't remember it exactly, but let's say. And project started on, that was March 2023. And then we have the project description. So I'll write something about this website, okay? Okay, let's say this is the description, and attachment will be the thumbnail, and this is the size, okay? You can have a size of this. Now this is a long screenshot, but I can add a new image here, okay? So I design it, okay? For now, let's continue it. Okay, let's increase it. And this is the project detail. Now you can link this to a specific profession, okay? So this is my profession that I am editing now. We can also link this to multiple professions. And the service types you offered here, okay? So I have offered website development here, and there are some bugs again, so let's leave it. And then skills that you have used. So I have used WordPress, Elementor. Okay, so I have selected these skills. Now select a related gig, okay? This is optional, but you can select a relevant gig that you also have on your profile, okay? So I will select this one and then save changes. Okay, so in this way you can add a project to your profession. Now we need to add at least 2 projects there, so I will add a new one also. And in that same way I added a new project also. Now I'll confirm it, and then we'll click on submit. Okay, let's refresh it. Now you can see this is completed. And make sure you have added a photo of yourself, and also you have verified your identity. And then add an intro video, which is optional, so I will add it later on. Then I'll confirm it and we'll submit it. Okay, so now you can see success. Your profession has been submitted for review. A fruit profession will be published in July as a new tab in your freelancer profile, okay? So this was how you can add and publish a profession on Fiverr profile, and then just click on done. Now this is active, but this will be published after July, okay? So this was Fiverr Profession. Again, you can go to my business and then click on profession to access this page. And if you want to learn more, just click on this profession, which will take you to this page. And I hope the video will be helpful for you. Still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.